Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can actually enable the full screen mode while playing the Free Fire game. As you can see right now, I'm trying to start the Free Fire game in the Poco X3 device. As you can see, it is a Poco X3 smartphone. You can clearly see. And right now, let me try to start the game. And as you can see here, as soon as I start the game, you'll get this kind of big bar, black bar in the corner. So even though if you change the settings in this game, but still it doesn't work, but there is an hidden feature which is present in this Poco X3 device, so where you need to change this kind of option. So right now in this video I'll try to demonstrate you how to do that one in the Poco X3 phone. And make sure to follow me friends, because my next upcoming video on the Poco X3 will be on Free Fire game only. I'll try to charge the phone while playing the Free Fire game at same time. So let's see, I'll be starting the battery percentage from 5%. I'll start to play the game and I'll charge the phone at same time. So let's see how much time it will take to charge. So that is my next upcoming video. So make sure to follow me regularly to get to know this kind of interesting tips and tricks on the Poco X3 device. And if you want to know what wallpaper I'm using for the notch smartphone of the Poco X3 device, so try to check the links in description for the wallpaper playlist, so which I've uploaded recently on this video on the Poco X3 device. So not only that, even you can find this kind of good looking live wallpapers. Even there is a TikTok wallpaper as well. So let's get started. The settings what I want to show you. So in the beginning, so as soon as I open the display, our first thing is that we'll be going to this full screen mode as soon as we see this option, because this will enable the applications to work in a full screen mode experience using that notch area. So that is what I enabled here in the Free Fire game, but still it did not work. So there is another hidden option which is present in this control center, and notch in individual applications. So here you need to go to the Free Fire game, and here is the game, and try to select always show notch. As you can see here, as soon as you select that option, the game will start playing in the full screen mode experience. So right now you can see your friends, the game has started in the full screen mode in this way. So this is a method how you need to do in the Poco X3 device. So not only for the Free Fire game, maybe in other applications, if you are facing this kind of problem, make sure to turn on that notch area, individual applications, make sure to always show, so then only it will work. Don't try to keep it in auto mode, so make it as always show. So it doesn't matter even if in the settings if you choose off or on the notch screen, it doesn't matter, but you need to change the inbuilt settings of this Poco X3 device to make it work. So right now I'll be comfortably playing the Free Fire game in the Poco X3 without any problem. So make sure to follow me friends. My next upcoming video will be on the charging test while playing the Free Fire game. So this kind of unique test I started to do recently, and many of the users they show interest in this kind of videos, unique videos in my channel. And see you in the next video friends. Hopefully this video might be helpful for so many users who are looking how to play the Free Fire game in the full screen. And definitely you can play this game in full screen mode. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more, and until then, bye.